Hey guys, Dave with Motor City Rust Proofing here. We got this Ford Freestyle in for its first annual protection of NHOU. We just want to show you something real quick on this particular vehicle. So Ford has been putting, I mean other manufacturers too, but been putting aluminum hoods and other various body panels on their vehicles for a very, very long time. It's only been, within the last, 5 years or a little bit longer that we've been seeing full aluminum vehicles. But the problem is Ford still uses, and all the other manufacturers still have to use certain steel parts, especially steel fasteners. So I just want to show you something. And this is what we call galvanic corrosion, when you have two different metals together, and this is what it does. So this is the aluminum hood that everyone thinks aluminum doesn't corrode. So right here we have the hood loop, and then there's a steel panel underneath here to strengthen it up to make sure that that aluminum doesn't crack with the abuse of slamming the hood several times. So we have the aluminum corroding and splitting there, aluminum here behind. See, this is steel bracket, steel bolt into aluminum. Corrodes really bad. See all that? It's all deformed. It's hard to really show it too much on video, but this is why we still spray aluminum vehicles. We might not go crazy in all the panels like we do on a typical steel truck, but we still hit all the areas. It might even take more time because we got to fine tune the certain areas when we're hitting inside this cavity. We go down there to the steel hinges for the hood and bolts. Same thing with doors and how these panels bolt up to the truck and all that. We hit those particular areas to get our material in there, and what's going to happen is it's going to soak in, seep around those areas inside and out and prevent it from doing this. So folks, that is aluminum corroding. So thanks for watching, guys. Check back for future videos. It's our busy time, so there isn't too many videos going on right now because like I said, we're extremely busy. Got a lot of cars coming in, a lot of waxes. That one's completely sealed up, so I got a guy underneath there right now going to town on masking that truck off. And then we got a guy, Craig, in the back here. He's back there somewhere. I don't know where he's at. Say hi, Craig.
Hey, guys.
He's getting those doors all coated internally, all the seams and all that. So yeah, we're in full swing fall mode, trying to get these vehicles protected before winter. If we don't get you protected before winter, it's still not a problem. We coat all year round. It doesn't matter if you're coming in the middle of winter time. There's no really good time to do it. It's any time, especially if it hasn't been done before. So anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. Check back for future ones.